guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a home bargains haul. Yes, it has been a hot minute since I last went to Home Bargains, but I just got back from holiday. I needed some new bits for the home, so I went to Home Bargains. I actually picked up some really exciting stuff today, so make sure you watch the whole video because there's some fabulous stuff in here today. And firstly, if you are new, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, much like this video, all about living your best life on a budget, whether it be food, fashion or fitness. So yes, I would subscribe if I was you so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, because we have the best community here on YouTube, in my opinion. Anyway, I'm getting really excited because it's like the first video I've done in a while, just like sitting down talking to the camera. I think because I was doing so many kind of walking around like static ad hoc videos that now I get to sit down and talk to you and show you guys what I got. So today's video is going to incorporate a lot of actually ethical things, and there might be another video following on from this, but you guys have to let me know in the comments down below if you want to see it. But anyway, I'm not going to ramble anymore. I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's just get on with the haul. Okay, the first thing I picked up, which I'm actually really excited about because I now feel like I'm part of the cleaning crew, which is anyone who owns a Minky. I've never actually had a Minky, and obviously this is like a Mrs Hinch thing. She loves these. But I have actually really wanted one. I love scouring cloths, and the ones I tend to buy don't last very long, and I'm trying to buy stuff that lasts a long time. And apparently, according to all the millions of people that now have one of these last a long time. It's going to be just a little bit more ethical to have one of these now and stop buying like these little other scourers. I've got my own Minky now. This is the first thing I picked up from Home Bargains. It was actually, I think it was £1.20p. Alright, so it's £2.49 for this. This was £2.49. If it lasts me like 6+ months, I'm a happy gal. Okay, because I have like the messiest mind in the whole of planet Earth, I constantly need to make lists. So I've bought a specific list notepad, which I thought was actually so cute. Like, look at the decor for one. It's like a really cutely, like how it's printed on. It just says to do, so it's literally a to-do list. It is in the shape of lists. It's nice, long and slim. I'm not going to start getting distracted and write other stuff in there, and then I've just ruined it for myself and I have to forget the whole list book. This can only be used for lists, so I'm really excited about this, just to have it like maybe on my kitchen side, and in the evenings just write down my tomorrow's to-do list, or the same morning write down my today's to-do list. It's really cute. They did actually have like matching notepads to this, but I literally only bought this. It was £1.20p, so that's really affordable, and yeah, flipping love it. First up in our ethical cleaning products for our home, I bought some Ecover dishwasher tablets. Now Ecover is basically a brand, a company that has like really ethical type cleaning products, and they're very natural based. They're not as harmful for the water as a lot of our other kind of like regular brands are. So I'm trying to like make the swap and go over completely Ecover or Method. From Ecover I purchased these 25 classic dishwasher tablets. They worked perfectly. There is no reason to have like these harmful plastic dishwasher tablets if you can buy these. So for 25 dishwasher tablets, these were £3.50, which I don't think is too bad for dishwasher tablets, if I'm being completely honest. They're actually really expensive normally. So yeah, £3.50 for 25 washers. Not bad. Okay, we have a little rebel in the bag. This has exploded in my bag, which is very annoying. It doesn't look like I've lost much though, which is good, but it is all slimy. So this is the Ecover Washing Up Liquid. It is the lily and lotus flavour. I will say, because it's exploded, it's now all over my hands and all over the bag and kind of on my carpet. It does smell good. Like, it smells nice. So yeah, I'm not mad about that at all. Okay, it was £1.10p, which is actually really cheap, I think. To be fair, it's not as cheap as Fairy Up Liquid, but it's still pretty cheap. I have actually been using Ecover for a little while. I was also using the Aldi Washing Up Liquid, but I've kind of changed to the Ecover. It is good, like it is really good. It's not as fragrant as the others, and I think that's because it doesn't have all those fake perfume smells added. It's like natural smells. But yeah, I really like these. So this is the Ecover washing up liquid. Also from Home Bargains, I picked up some Astonish Delicate Non-Bio for my washing machine and my clothes washing. This is in the peony and magnolia flavour, and I really like the brand Astonish. It's very affordable and it's also quite ethical. It's completely cruelty free, it's completely vegan, and it's kinder to the planet than a lot of other brands. So I've liked Astonish for a while. Let me tell you, Astonish is so affordable, especially if you look in places like Home Bargains, B&M, Poundland. It's so affordable. This flavour smells amazing. But yeah, I really wanted to try this out because it smells so nice, and normally these last me quite a while. So I got this, it was £1. And I also on holiday picked up these ethical Ecover washing machine detergent and softeners. Yeah, these are from the brand Ecover again, and yeah, I really have tried these before once in my life when I was on holiday 2 days ago, and they worked perfectly. My clothes were clean, they were hygienic, they had washed really well, they smelt really nice. So I don't understand why I wouldn't carry on using this if it's much better for the planet, and also it's still really affordable. So yeah, I'm using the Ecover Non-Bio Laundry Detergent, which is in flavour lavender and sandalwood, so like nice natural flavours. And then I'm also using fabric softener, which is in apple blossom and almond. And yeah, these are all naturally scented, so it's scented like with the actual natural goods. They're much kinder on the planet and not bad for like the water that eventually goes into the sea. Ooh, oh, that smells so cozy. Ooh, that smells really summery. They kind of clash, but when we put them together, they might smell good. I did actually hear with this brand that you can make your own scents with adding like the different scents together, which is why I bought them in different flavours. This was actually £2 and this was £6, so there's a big price difference. I don't know why. I also treated myself to a new Method spray. If you know me, you know I love Method sprays. I do a lot of like cleaning videos and I always use Method because it's kind on the planet, kind on the environment. I have pets, so I like to like really be careful about what kind of products I'm using in my house, and also the stuff smells good. So I purchased this Method antibacterial surface spray. This is the wild rhubarb flavour, and this is an all-purpose cleaner. I love the brand Method. I think it's fabulous. I really like their products. My favourite has to be, I think it's the grapefruit. It's the orange one. It might just be orange, but my favourite Method is that one. But I wanted to try out the wild rhubarb. And Method is like a brand, a cleaning brand that's like a little bit nicer to the environment. This was £2 from Home Bargains. I don't think that's too bad. These do last for quite a while. I also picked up a surface spray. This is the multi-action spray which tackles grease and grime. It's from Ecover as well. I don't know what flavour this is. It's probably just basic, like maybe lemony type thing. I've started using these things because they work perfectly. They work really well on the sides, and also my sinks. Oh, they are really good for my sinks. So I've started using these. I highly recommend it. This was £1, so it's actually really affordable still as well. I also popped into the Range, and I popped into the Range really quickly, and it's quite near Home Bargains. And in the Range, first of all, I found some tea towels. These are really nice. They're very me. They're grey. They're mustard coloured. That's very me. I love this colour. I needed new tea towels. I'm also very excitedly moving house soon, possibly. Fingers crossed. I'm starting to buy like stuff like this, like new tea towels and things for the kids. 3 tea towels. You have like your washcloth, your drying cloth and your wipe cloth. They are 100% cotton and they were £4.99. I just thought these were nice. Even if I do start using them now, there's no big deal. Also in the Range, I picked up some Zoflora. This is the Fresh Home Zoflora, which is kind of good if you've got pets in your home. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Really good for like wiping down the surface. I know this isn't the best for the environment. I know that. I am making changes slowly but surely. If I want to buy Zoflora every now and then, I'm going to. I'm not going to like just use it willy-nilly when there's loads of other products that I've got that are really friendly on the environment. But I do find that this is fabulous for cleaning. It really makes things a lot easier for me. So yeah, I picked up one of these. This will last me a long time, to be honest. I also picked up 2 of these. Now, I picked up these from the Range as well. The Range is actually really cool for stuff like this, like for your kitchen. These are made out of bamboo and they are scourers or like brushes for your cutlery. I don't know what I'm doing, but I like these and they match with my dustpan and brush that I have. You may have seen that in my other videos. I think they're super duper pretty and I really like them. They were £1 each. I bought 2 because I think I want one for my kitchen and one for my bathroom also, and I might not use them until we officially move house. I like saving things when you move house and like you use it for the first time. So yeah, I don't know yet, but yeah, I really like these. I also picked up this little gadget. This is a microfiber blind cleaner. So like you hold it in your hand and you can squeeze it, and it has 3 sections. I have blinds in my house everywhere and they are looking a bit grubby, I'm not going to lie. So I need to like find easy ways of cleaning them. So I really wanted to try these out. Let's see, I've never used one of these things before. It was only £1 for this whole thing. So I don't know how good it will be, but if you've used one, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to know what they're like, also let me know in the comments down below because I will tell you. And also, I really would love to hear from you guys about whether you've tried this or not, but I picked up some cat food. Well, not if you've tried it, but if your cats have. This is the Apple Paws natural cat food and it was really expensive. It's like £1 10p per sachet, and the sachet is small, so they are very expensive for cat food, but apparently it's like completely 100% natural. It is like basically human food in a pouch. It's apparently really good for them if your cat has eaten, or your dog, I don't know if they do dog food, from the Applause natural ranges. Please let me know in the comments down below. I only bought 2 sachets because I just want them to try it at first. I'm not going to spend a fortune if they don't like it. Okay guys, so that is everything in today's haul. I hope you enjoyed. What was your favourite item? Please let me know in the comments down below. Are you also making like switches to be a little bit more ethical and kinder on the planet? I can feel like I'm not in this alone, or if I've inspired you to, let me know that also. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I upload lots of stories and the stories always incorporate some of these products. So if you want to see more, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe down below because I upload 3 times every single week, and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah, I love you very much. Bye.